Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do an artwork for Twiga, famous luxury club Nearly. We will do the head of a giraffe that is the logo of the club. Let's go. Now we choose the string. Let's go. As you can see here, there are various types of diameters, colors, length, and type of string. We are going to choose something very thin because our artwork is kind of small. So yeah, we need the yellow for the colors and the black for the last layer.